The recent raid on cruise boat operators and water sports bodies is nothing but a step towards crushing the Goan livelihood, taken by none other than the political tout of Porvorim, who is also the tourism minister. The tourism minister's action indicates that he is not out to he is all out to extract from wherever and from whatever manner possible. He is repeatedly driving the point that illegal touting has to be stopped. The order issued that the police will take action by the competent authority is not mentioned, not notified. So, who is going to take the action? The nuisance that happens is a continuous process, and as such, the order of the Director of Tourism is absolutely non-executable and only an avenue to charge of theft. His stand that Tourism Department only can notify the tourist spot from where these operations can take place is another eye-opener as to how he is trying to channelize powers in his department for obvious reasons. Though the tourism department may select the spot for the operation of cruise boats or water sports, the safety of the such area to conduct such operation, look into the various safety factors of the river sea will lie in the hands of the captain of ports, and they have the expertise to check the various parameters. Can the tourism minister speak out and explain to the people of Goa as to how many show cause notices have been issued to the casino lobby, which is a total perennial nuisance after 5 o'clock in the evening, right from Kampal to the Santa Monica jetty, and how much of fine has been collected from them. It is high time the Chief Minister introspects and issues an order and remove this biggest nuisance, the political thought of Porvorim.